Are you tired of your gaming setup looking like it just lost to a level 1 boss? What if I told you that turning your plain room into an epic gaming sanctuary is easier and cheaper than you think? Today we're not just redecorating, we're crafting an experience. We're diving headfirst into a DIY room makeover that will transform your ordinary space into the ultimate gamer's paradise, filled with epic vibes and total immersion. And the best part? You won't need to raid a dragon's hoard for gold to make it happen. We're going to cover everything from mood lighting to clever storage, so stick around because your dream gaming haven is just a few simple steps away. We all know the feeling, right? You've got your super fast PC or console, your favorite games, but your room itself, it just feels a bit meh. Maybe it's still rocking that childhood wallpaper, or your cables are doing their best impression of spaghetti artwork. You want a space that screams gamer, a place where you can lose yourself in virtual worlds without your surroundings pulling you back to reality. The challenge often feels massive. Where do you even begin, and how do you do it without emptying your wallet? Well, consider me your quest giver, and this video is your map to victory. We're going to tackle this room transformation piece by piece, turning those vague ideas into concrete, awesome projects you can do yourself. Forget expensive designers, we're building a space that truly represents you. First up, let's talk about the soul of any good gaming setup. The lighting. You can't have an epic gaming experience under harsh, boring ceiling lights. This is where LED strip lights become your best friend. Seriously, these things are magic. Grab some color-changing LED strips. You can find them online for surprisingly little. Stick them behind your monitor, under your desk, or along the edges of your shelves. The difference is instant. You can set them to pulse with your game's audio, match your favorite character's aura, or just create a chill, ambient glow that reduces eye strain during those late-night sessions. Imagine a soft blue light washing over your desk as you explore an alien planet, or a fiery red as you dive into a chaotic battle. It's not just pretty, it sets the mood and enhances immersion. Trust me, once you go LED, you'll never go back. Next, let's confront the monster lurking in every gamer's setup. Cable management. It's the bane of our existence, a tangled mess of wires that can ruin even the cleanest desk. But fear not. This is a super satisfying DIY project. Grab some Velcro cable ties, they're reusable and easy to adjust, and a few cable sleeves or channels. Start by unplugging everything. Yes, everything. Then group similar cables together, like all your monitor cables or all your peripheral cables. Use the Velcro ties to bundle them neatly. For cables running along your floor or behind your desk, use adhesive cable channels. You can stick these to the back of your desk or wall and run your wires through them, keeping them out of sight and out of mind. It's like giving your setup a fresh, clean shave. Suddenly, your space looks organized, professional, and ready for action. Plus, no more accidental unplugging with your foot. Now let's look at your walls. They're a blank canvas waiting for your gamer art. Forget generic prints. How about some DIY wall art that screams you? You can print out high-resolution images of your favorite game maps, character art, or iconic game quotes. Frame them yourself with inexpensive frames from a craft store. Or get creative. Buy some cheap square canvases and paint pixel art designs. Think classic Mario mushrooms, Minecraft blocks, or even abstract representations of game elements. Another fantastic idea is to install some floating shelves. These are great for displaying your prized collector's editions, amiibos, or even custom-painted controller stands. For that extra techie touch, consider some acoustic foam panels. They not only look cool and sci-fi, but they can also slightly improve your room's sound quality, making your game audio even crisper. Moving on to the heart of your operation, your desk setup. It's not just a surface, it's your command center. Ergonomics are key for long gaming sessions. Make sure your monitor is at eye level. If it's too low, Use a monitor riser. You can easily build one yourself with a few pieces of wood and some basic tools. Or grab an affordable one online. This small change can prevent neck strain. For storage, think vertically. Use desk organizers for pens, controllers, and headsets. A simple pegboard mounted above your desk can be a game changer for organizing accessories, hanging headphones, and displaying small collectibles. It keeps your main desk surface clear, giving you more room to maneuver your mouse and keyboard. Plus, a clean desk leads to a clear mind, which is essential for clutch plays. Finally, let's add some personal flair and comfort. Every gamer's paradise needs a cozy spot for those rare moments of relaxation. A comfortable, gaming-themed beanbag chair or a cool accent rug can make a huge difference. Consider adding some custom decals to your PC case or console for a truly unique look. DIY a headset stand out of PVC pipe or wood painted to match your setup. Small details like a custom mousepad or a cool desk mat can really tie the whole room together. Remember, this isn't about buying the most expensive gear. It's about making smart, creative choices that reflect your passion for gaming. Every little project you complete adds another layer to your ultimate sanctuary. You're not just playing games. You're living the game in your own personalized fortress. So there you have it. A complete roadmap to transforming your ordinary room into an epic gamer's paradise without breaking the bank. We've covered everything from setting the mood with LED lighting and conquering the cable monster, to decorating your walls with personalized art and optimizing your command center. Each DIY project might seem small on its own, but together they create an immersive experience that will make every game session feel like an adventure. Now go forth, grab your tools, and level up your space. If you want to see how these ideas come to life, click on this next video.